Hello, my dear little ones. Good morning. How are you all today? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Okay, tell me, do you remember what did we learn in the previous session? Yes, we revised alphabet Q, R, S, T and U. Today, we will first revise alphabet A to P. This is alphabet A. Mama A, baby A. The sound of A is A. This is alphabet B. Mama B, baby B. The sound of B is B. This is alphabet C. Mama C, baby C. The sound of C is K. This is alphabet D. Mama D, baby D. The sound of D is D. This is alphabet E. Mama E, baby E. The sound of E is A. This is alphabet F. Mama F, baby F. The sound of F is F. This is alphabet G. Mama G, baby G. The sound of G is G. This is alphabet H. Mama H, baby H. The sound of H is H. This is alphabet I. Mama I, baby I. The sound of I is E and I. This is alphabet J. Mama J, baby J. The sound of J is J. This is alphabet K. Mama K, baby K. The sound of K is K. This is alphabet L. Mama L, baby L. The sound of L is L. This is alphabet M. Mama M, baby M. The sound of M is M. This is alphabet N. Mama N, baby N. The sound of N is N. This is alphabet O. Mama O, baby O. The sound of O is O. This is alphabet P. Mama P, baby P. The sound of P is P. Now, we will revise alphabet Q, R, S, T and U with their relative pictures. This is alphabet Q. Mama Q, capital Q. Baby Q, small q. The sound of Q is Q. Q for quill. Q for quiet. Q for question mark. Q for quail. Q for Q. Q for quilt. Q for quarter. This is alphabet R. Mama R, capital R. Baby R, small r. The sound of R is R. R for rabbit. R for rocket. R for ring. R for rat. R for rope. R for robot. R for raincoat. R for rose. R for ruler. R for rainbow. This is alphabet S. Mama S, capital S, baby S, small s. The sound of S is S. S for soap. S for sun. S for snail. S for shoes. S for sandwich. S for swan. S for squirrel. S for shell. S for shirt. S for sheep. This is alphabet T. Mama T, capital T, baby T, small t. The sound of T is T. T for tire. T for tongue. T for teapot. T for tie. T for tap. T for table. T for teeth. T for tub. T for television. T for tree. T for top. This is alphabet U. Mama U, capital U, baby U, small u. The sound of U is A and U. U for umbrella. U for umpire. U for on. U for utensils. U for up. U for UFO. U for uniform. U for U-turn. Now it's activity time. We will do an interesting activity for the same. For this activity, we have flashcards of alphabet Q, R, S, T and U. And here we have flashcards of different pictures related to these alphabets. I will show you the picture and you have to match the picture with its related alphabet. Let's start the activity. Look kids, which picture is this? Yes, this is umbrella. U for umbrella. So we will place it here. Which picture is this? Yes, R for rose. So we will place it here. This is sandwich. S for sandwich. So we will place it here. Which picture is this? Yes, T for tub. So we will place it here. This is scooter. S for scooter. So we will place it here. Which picture is this? Rainbow. R for rainbow. So we will place it here. This is quill. Q for quill. So we will place it here. Which picture is this? Yes, U-turn. U for U-turn. So we will place it here. This is quarter. Q for quarter. So we will place it here. Which picture is this? Yes, table. T for table. So we will place it here. Let's revise one more time. Q for quill. Q for quarter. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for sandwich. S for scooter. T for tub. T for table. U for umbrella. U for U-turn. Hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Now, I will give you the solution of the worksheets. This is the solution of your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. The first alphabet of the worksheet is Q. Tell me kids, which picture is given here related to alphabet Q? Yes, quill. Q for quill. So I have matched alphabet Q with the picture of quill. Next alphabet is R. And R for rabbit. So I have matched alphabet R with the picture of rabbit. Next alphabet is S. S for sun. So I have matched alphabet S with the picture of sun. Next alphabet is T. And T for top. So I have matched alphabet T with the picture of top. Next alphabet is U. And U for umpire. So I have matched alphabet U with the picture of umpire. This is the solution of your second worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. The first alphabet of the worksheet is B. Tell me kids, which picture is given here related to alphabet B? Yes, bag. B for bag. So I have matched alphabet B with the picture of bag. Next alphabet is E. And E for envelope. So I have matched alphabet E with the picture of envelope. Next alphabet is H. H for hand. So I have matched alphabet H with the picture of hand. Next alphabet is K. And which picture is given here related to K? Yes, K for keg. So I have matched alphabet K with the picture of keg. Next alphabet is N. N for napkin. So I have matched alphabet N with the picture of napkin. Next alphabet is Q. And Q for quill. So I have matched alphabet Q with the picture of quill. Next alphabet is T. And which picture is given here? Yes, telephone. T for telephone. So I have matched alphabet T with the picture of telephone. Hope you all have done both the worksheets correctly. Keep watching and learning through the videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.